Hey guys, so Xiaomi 15 Pro is launching this month and we already have the live hands-on look of the phone. This device is having some of the most exciting upgrades. It will have IP69 water resistance rating, new titanium finish on Pro model and ultrasonic fingerprint scanners. Anyways, the Xiaomi 15 Pro was spotted recently in hands of Xiaomi's Vice President Wang, and it clarifies a lot of things, which you will know by the end of this video. Well, as you can see from this image that Xiaomi 15 Pro includes 3 camera sensors, and the fourth one is not actually the camera. These are basically some supporting sensors. The flashlight is placed outside of the camera module, so there is nothing more changed in the rear side of the Xiaomi 15 Pro if we compare it with the last year's Xiaomi 14 Pro. It's just the repositioning of flashlight. All 3 of them will be 50 megapixel sensors. Main camera will be 50 megapixel Omni Vision OV50H, and secondary will be 50 megapixel ultra wide from Samsung, the ISOCELL JN1, while the third one will be 5x tele macro sensor. On the front, this device will have 32 megapixel selfie shooter in center punch hole design. Xiaomi 15 series teaser images have already surfaced online, and you can see it will be coming with Snapdragon 8 Elite, or it can be called as Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Xiaomi is packing up the Hyper OS 2.0 for their 15 series, which will be more efficient with sleek and clean user interface. Xiaomi 15 Pro will have IP69 certification, so it would basically be great to use phone in tough environments. But coming to the Qualcomm 8 Gen 4, which is the main highlight of this device, I mean the Snapdragon 8 Elite, and it is already being tested out on a couple of other upcoming smartphones, and results are shockingly insane. As you can see, the Geekbench results are very strong comparatively, and this chipset is having 56% GPU performance uplift compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. So this will be the world's first smartphone to have Snapdragon 8 Elite. Xiaomi 15 Pro is packing a huge 6000 milliamps of battery, which is insane, and it will have 6.7 inches 120Hz 2K resolution display with center punch hole selfie shooter. There will be 90 watts of fast wired charging and 80 watts of wireless charging on Xiaomi 15 Pro. And the beast of all, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will make its appearance in early 2025, and it will pack huge camera sensors. Like there will be 200 megapixel of telescope camera, which will be capable of 10x lossless zoom. So yeah guys, that's all. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.